Hello everyone, my name's Kitty Owls Gamer, and it's been an absolute age since I've been on Will You Press the Button. I know it's not Christmas vibes, but I'm Christmas vibes, so it still counts. This is a Christmas video. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, same rules apply with Would You Rather, but there's no but. It's still the same. I'm a minority to Reddit 50-50, and to become myself too, something cute or something absolutely horrific. Because 2020, it can't get any worse than that. Even though there's only like 11 days left at the time of this video. Anyway, first one is, you get $1 million, but every month for the rest of your life you have to go to the nearest library, start screaming until you're thrown out. Okay. Every month. Once a month? I could go there when it's quieter, when there's not many people about, and notify them that I have to scream until I'm thrown out. If I can just go, ah, and then like out. So I could work around that. Hopefully, if I can fit into my schedule, that is. Oh, close, so close. 6,000, 60,000 even. Wow. Okay, that's next. No, Reddit. That could have ended differently. You automatically change any physical aspect of yourself at any time. You can only learn 2 at a 3rd grader's level. What? Learn what? Learn 2A. What? I will not. That doesn't sound good. People have the right idea. Make it clear next time. Next. I need my tea. I'm still in shock. It was minor shock, but it was still shock nonetheless. There is a 50% chance that you'll become immortal. There is also a 50% chance that you will die. I would not want to be immortal because that would be sad. So, no, I will not press the button. And watch everyone I love and tolerate die? No. Next. Your sex appeal increases over a night out, but only as much as your drunkenness increases. No thank you. I'm good. Wait, was I in a minority for the last one? I wasn't paying attention, oh boy. Okay, I'm paying attention. I did not press the button. Oh, I'm in the minority. Oh no. Okay, tough Reddit now. Okay, I'm choosing this one because I hate anything with more than 6 legs. Apart from caterpillars. They're cute. The little stubby legs are so sweet. I don't want to see a long M&M. My dad likes M&M, so this will be a treat for both of us. It's kinds of things I hate. Spiders and these things. Oh, yuck. Yuck. Icky. Ugh. Well, that's me gross out for the evening. Okay, you get to have sex with David Bowie. There's no downside. Have fun, kids. No thank you. He's dead. Yeah. Sadly, yes, he passed away in 2016, I believe. Rest his soul. Okay, alright, I'm not in the minority, and there's obviously his fans there who have come across this question, so good for them. But no Reddit, and no centipedes. Next. This is awful. You'll receive $100,000, but you'll be forced to donate 92,000 of it to an extremist anti-LGBT group. That's awful. Sod that. No. Good. People have the right idea. And the 14,000? Shame on you. Next. You are one of the world's most talented artists. You have crippling depression. No thank you. Not worth it. Good people agree. Next. You can recreate the universe to one that you like. You'll forget about your past life and everything about you. Well, there are some things I would love to forget. So... maybe, because I can recreate my family. It's a universe, remember? So, no poverty, no awfulism, awful things happening to people. I can recreate the entirely perfect family. My best friends living next to me. Disney movies 24/7. Okay, I'll do that. I'll press the button for once. Yes. I'm getting good at this. It's the first time I've actually pressed the button. You can undo anything you ever mess up. Every undo takes a year off your life. Well, we have to learn from our mistakes, so no, I will not. Whew. I always get nervous every time I look at that result. Well, at that end of the result. Excuse me, hiccups. It's not even Christmas yet. You could own Apple Incorporated. You give $50,000 every week to another major company. Well, Apple is doing great. Well, as far as I know anyway. I have an iPhone and all the other new releases are coming out. So, $50,000 to another major company? 50,000? Come on, that's like pocket change to them, right? Yes! 69. Nice. Next. Next. Any show, movie or video game series in your mind will become real and be credited to you. Someone else will steal your idea and make millions of it. Not worth it. Nope. Good. Some people have common sense. That's great to know. Get super psyched. Also get shitty hearing. No, I like my hearing, thank you. Good. I'm in with the good people here. And I only saw one disgusting centipede. Ugh. You're able to manipulate the thoughts of others, play with their minds, corrupt them, project your own influence into them, and drive them to insanity, suicide if you wish. This is reflected back onto you. The more evil you do to the minds of others, the more corrupted and dark-hearted you become yourself. Nah, I'm good. I'll pass. I won't be on the nice list for Christmas. Really? There are some sick people. Sick people. Well, back to Reddit, I suppose. Okay, I'm choosing this because I've seen the first one before. Don't ask me how, it was on QI. Bees take a vengeance on a hornet that ate a fellow bee. Very happy doggo made us many rules. I want to see the happy doggo. It's going to be... oh yeah, yep, this is the very one I saw, and whatever. Hey, bees stick together, who knew? And hardlines on the poor bee. Instant karma, mother buzzer. Yeah, you picked on the wrong bee. This is really grotesque but fascinating because bees are incredible. They keep our planet alive and they make honey. Yeah, what a way to go. Apparently the little tiny sacks of body heat can be in large numbers overwhelms the hornet. So it would basically, you get the idea, it's basically a Christmas turkey. Well, serves you right for eating the bee. What are you doing eating a bee, you spiky little git? Okay, we've had enough of that. You can become a god or goddess. No one worships you and hates you. I think there have been many a goddess and god who have been hated and not worshipped. I'll take my chances. Press the button. Great. Hey, I'm the goddess round here. You want a flood? I know it's already been done, but I can make it happen. Right, next. Anything good now? All your positive attributes, intelligence, looks, physical power, prowess, etc., are enhanced by 2 times. You have to sacrifice half of your lifespan. I don't know what my lifespan will be. It could be to 100 for all I know. But no, I will not. Good. This is good. Very good. Ooh. You can go to any fictional world you want to go to, back and forth, anytime, anywhere, but you will remember nothing from it. So it's basically like a dream. I'll go for it. Hogwarts, I'm there. Yes. I shouldn't get so cocky, because, you know. I see no disadvantage to this. Your favourite character is real, so there is an entire universe and all of its problems. I don't care. Which favourite character though? Which fandom? Harry Potter? Disney? I have multiple favourite characters, and apparently there's a theory that all the Disney movies are connected into one big universe. So I'm happy. Fairy tales, princesses, magic, dragons, Maleficent. I'm there. Yes. Oh ha ha. I'm loving this. You can bring back one person from the dead, anyone of your choosing, but you can only eat white rice. This means nothing to drink either. White rice is carbs. I'm on keto for most of the year, so not good. I will not. And nothing to drink? Oh, that'd be awful. How way to get dehydrated quickly. Good, sensible people on this kind of website. Get it? You can teleport to anywhere you can imagine being. Only your naked body teleports when you do so. No. No, not worth it. Good. I've only been on Reddit twice, so I'm keeping this up. You know the purpose of life and have godlike intelligence. You can approve your knowledge and you're labelled a conspirator. Just because I have it doesn't mean I have to express it. And let's face it, there are people who think the earth is flat and are adamant on sharing their beliefs and other things. So why not? I have all the knowledge. 62. Okay, good. You'll meet Sherlock Holmes and he'll be fascinated by you. You will eventually die a slow and painful death with him watching, unable to help you. No thank you, I like breathing. 69. Again. Next. You can time travel, but you can only use it once a year and you can only go back in time. Well, if I use it to my advantage, say if I get, say, something that will become valuable, like a first edition comic book or anything that will be valuable in pristine condition, that would be stupendous, like the first Harry Potter book from 97, or I don't know, something valuable, something of value, something that would cost, well, compared to now, that would be cheaper 100 years ago and it would be a day. So yeah, use it to my advantage. Yes. Next. Be able to speak any language fluently. You can never go to land where the language originated from. Okay, so if I say I wanted to speak fluent Spanish, I could never go to Spain again, and that would kill my mother. I also have family in Spain, so that would be hard. Oh, is it worth it though? I could speak it in Mexico, I guess, and in some parts of America. who they speak Spanish. Oh. No, not worth it. What's the point? Good. People have sense. Any fictional world you want from a book, game, TV show, or movie now exists and you will live there. The world ceases to exist. This world ceases to exist. Everyone here will die so everyone there may live. I want to live in the Disney universe, so bring it on. Ooh, 50-50. Oh, okay. 37,092 did press the button. 37,685 didn't. Oh. Okay, to Reddit. Okay, I'm doing this for the puppy. If I get the spiders, then you'll have the privilege of me doing this, basically, at the thought. Oh boy, okay. Be the puppy. I want it to be the puppy. A little faster, please. Google. It's going to be the spiders, isn't it? Oh, I hate it. Yuck. Get off. Oh, yuck. No. It couldn't have been the puppy. Oh my goodness. That was horrifying. Yuck. Ew. It's the way the big legs. It's the legs are freaking me out. Yuck. Ugh. Okay, I'm done exaggerating now. Oh. No. I'm not done exaggerating, okay. Yuck. Ugh, okay. Oh. Merry Christmas to me. Okay, so I actually had a good round of Would You Press the Button. After so long. Like 2 years long, maybe. But yeah, I'm going to need to look at some pictures of bunnies and anything cute to erase that from my brain. Ugh. Anyway. Ugh. If you liked it, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you soon.